The magic of photosynthesis. Imagine a process so extraordinary that it fuels all life on Earth, yet invisible to the naked eye. This process is photosynthesis, where plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into energy-rich food and oxygen. It's the unseen miracle behind Earth's green landscapes and our ability to breathe every day. Photosynthesis is nature's blueprint for survival, occurring inside microscopic structures called chloroplasts. Powered by chlorophyll, the green pigment behind lush leaves, plants absorb sunlight to spark an incredible transformation. Let's explore this process, which forms the foundation of life as we know it. In simple terms, photosynthesis is a two-part reaction. The light-dependent reactions occur first, where sunlight is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. This energy powers the Calvin cycle, which combines carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a vital sugar molecule plants use for energy and growth. This magic happens thanks to stomata, tiny pores in leaves that absorb carbon dioxide while releasing the byproduct we depend on, oxygen. Whether you're looking at a towering oak tree or a blade of grass, this process fuels their growth and powers ecosystems worldwide. It all begins at sunrise. As sunlight touches a leaf, chloroplasts kick into action, absorbing the sun's energy. Water drawn from the soil moves through roots to leaves, ready for its transformative role. Airborne carbon dioxide enters through the stomata, completing the recipe for photosynthesis. Over the day, plants work tirelessly, producing glucose for energy and oxygen as a gift to the atmosphere. This rhythmic cycle repeats daily, connecting plants, organisms, and ecosystems in a web of interdependence that is vital for life. Photosynthesis is more than just a plant process. It's our planet's life support system. By releasing oxygen, it enables the survival of all breathing organisms, from humans to wildlife. At the same time, it absorbs huge amounts of carbon dioxide, playing a key role in regulating Earth's climate. This process also drives agriculture, providing crops with the energy they need to grow and sustain billions of people worldwide. Without photosynthesis, there would be no food chains, no forests, and no breathable oxygen. In short, it's the heartbeat of Earth. With rising carbon emissions, photosynthesis is under threat. Deforestation, which destroys vast areas of forests, reduces the number of plants available to absorb carbon dioxide. This accelerates global warming as greenhouse gases trap more heat in the atmosphere. But here's the good news. Planting more trees and preserving ecosystems can strengthen nature's ability to fight climate change. By protecting the very plants that perform photosynthesis, we help maintain Earth's delicate carbon and oxygen balance. Did you know that rainforests, often called the lungs of the Earth, produce 20% of the planet's oxygen? Or that microscopic phytoplankton in oceans contribute almost half of global oxygen production? Photosynthesis isn't just confined to the land, it spans ecosystems above and below water. Even more fascinating, some plants like cacti have adapted to perform photosynthesis at night, conserving water in dry conditions. This variability underscores how diverse and resilient photosynthetic organisms are, thriving in almost every environment on Earth. We can all play a role in supporting this vital process. Simple actions like planting trees and cultivating houseplants boost oxygen production and air quality. Reducing deforestation and supporting conservation projects can preserve the ecosystems where photosynthesis thrives. Even small steps, like reducing carbon emissions and recycling, help minimize stress on the natural systems that rely on photosynthesis. Together, we can contribute to a greener, more sustainable planet for future generations. Photosynthesis isn't just science, it's the ultimate life-sustaining process. It ensures that every breath we take, every meal we eat, and every forest we admire is part of an incredible cycle. Understanding this process helps us realize the importance of protecting the planet's green lungs. Take a moment to appreciate the plants around you. They are quiet heroes, silently working to keep Earth alive. Next time sunlight streams through a leaf, remember, You're witnessing the beginning of life's most incredible process. Let's stand together for plants, fight deforestation, and nurture a world where photosynthesis can thrive. Take action today. Plant a tree, protect a forest, or share this knowledge to spread awareness. Together, we can shape a future full of greenery and life. Act now.